What's in there, bud? Keep going.
Good job. Good job, Wesley. Did Mommy tape it really well? Good job.
That's a real challenge, isn't it?
Yay! Yay! Good job. Oh, it's so big, it's hard to unwrap, huh? Oh. It's got that look of determination on it.
Yeah, you're determined, aren't you?
Oh, yay!
Good work, bud.
Good job.
What is it?
What is it? Is it a toolbox?
Whoa.
Wow, should we take it apart and let you play with it a little bit? Should we ask Daddy for help? Say help, please. Help, please.
All right.